Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, I'm the HR beauty guru, aka Maricka Rochelle, and I bring human resources content as well as beauty content to the YouTube platform. So today's video is actually going to be kind of a beauty video, except I'm not going to be doing makeup or anything like that, but instead I'm going to teach you guys how I wear my t-shirts as scarves. So this has been a requested video from some of my people that I know. So I wanted to kind of to put this out there so that people, you know, can watch it and learn. So I do have a couple of things before I get started with the scarf tutorial. So as you can see, I definitely have this on my head right now. So I always like to put my hair down underneath a wig cap because it just makes it flatter for me when I get ready to put my scarf on. And I also I like to do my edges, so which is why this is laying down. So that's definitely something that I always do first. As for edges, I always use the Crème of Nature, as you guys can see. I think it'll focus. Yep. So I always use the Crème of Nature perfect edges. For some reason, I can never find the perfect edge control for my edges, so this is just something that works well for me. So if you haven't tried it, definitely try it. Crème of Nature, if you're listening, you should send me like caseloads of this. I'm just saying. So that is something, like I said, I always use for my edges. It just works for me and it helps it lay down. So without any further ado, it is time to get started with this video, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and also comment as well if you enjoyed the content. Alright guys, so this is how I started. And what I do is I take the head of the t-shirt and I place it around my head. Okay. And then what I do is I personally like to, and this is let me start off by saying this. This is a t-shirt that I actually got from Old Navy. It's a long sleeve shirt. For some reason, the scarves work better for me that are long sleeve. So definitely a long sleeve shirt and something that's kind of thin. So like I said, I got these shirts from Old Navy and I didn't really wear them anymore. So I was just like, you know, I'm going to use them as scarves. So what I do is I take it, like I said, and I wrap it around. And then I always leave the long sleeve out. I leave this one out, and then if I can find the other one, I leave this one out. So I always leave both, and you'll see why I do that in just a second. So what I do is I usually like to hold it, and then I continue to wrap this around. All right. So as you can see, that part is now wrapped around my head. So what I do with the other, the sleeves is I take them and I open them up and I wrap them around the bun to give me, I guess, a fuller bun. All right. So what I do is I continue to wrap and I tuck it. And then I do the other side where I take this and I personally like to kind of wrap it around just like this. And what I do is I take this part and I open it up and I place it over top of the bun. Let's fix that piece there. And so guys, that is how I complete my shirt buns. And let's fix that again because it doesn't want to stay. And guys, you can use bobbin pins. It's fine. I just personally don't because this is usually my go-to hairstyle when I'm out at the store, when I'm going to Walmart, something like that. And I just don't, you don't feel like doing my hair, or I don't feel like wearing my natural hair. So I just put it up in a little bun like this with one of my t-shirts. Down. What I do is I like to take different colors. So this is another one that I use. I actually got this shirt from Walmart. So it's not an Old Navy shirt, but I do wear another Old Navy shirt that's kind of brown sometimes, and I like to use that one. But for this one, I'd like to do sometimes a low bun. So what I do is I take it and I put the scarf on this way. There we go. And what I do is, if you guys can see, I just wrap it. Hold on, let me get it together. And this is perfect, like I said, for when I am on the go. Because sometimes I don't always want to. And again, I open the scarf and I close it around the bun so that it stays in place. That, my friends, is how I do my second wrap. Okay, so guys, now that you've seen that, now the same one I use, or I mean really any long sleeve one that you want, what I do is, I again keep it how it is. I put the head of the shirt on top of my head. And what I do is I take the sleeves. Well, wait a minute. All right, so there are my sleeves, y'all see? And then what I do, I hold the sleeves in front and I take the rest of the shirt and I wrap it around the back of my head, going up under the sleeve, and then I tuck it underneath the bottom. And then once I do that, I take the sleeves, let's do both, and I wrap them and you can either do this and make a cool bun, kind of like this, with your shirt. Let me make sure I got that tucked in there. Or you can just take this loose and you can just wear it just like that. And that, guys, is how I wear my t-shirts as scarves. So I gave you 3 styles today. These are just usually the styles that I wear. But hey, who knows? You know, you guys may find something different that you like. And in the meantime, I'll probably be experimenting as well. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely, like I said, like and subscribe, and also comment if you have questions. And I hope that you guys have a blessed night. Take care, guys. Bye.